Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to convert a PDF file to a JPG image format using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now select convert option this top menu bar, and here you will find this to image option. Click on this image. Now click on this down arrow, and here you will find this JPEG and this is JPG format. Select JPG and setting option, click here. You can create each pages of PDF as separate images, extract all images in the PDF. You can join all pages into one single image. I'll make each page of the PDF as separate images. You can select all pages and select OK. Now select OK. And you can select a specific folder, or you can save as source folder. I will select is save source folder and select OK. And this PDF file now convert and select open, and see this is my PDF file, and this is all of these images, and see this and image format. See this JPG format. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.